Hi there, and today we're going to learn how to fix the translation missing error in Shopify. So if you want a answer right away, you can just see this question right here in the Shopify community. So this user experienced this error, the translation missing, and then this string right here. And then you can see the solution right here. So it says here that the first suggestion would be to go to your language editor in the Shopify admin. So this can be possible by going to the online store, going to themes, actions, and then edit default theme content. So from here, you should see the notification of the missing translation. Then you can just simply fill up the words and the error will be solved. And then another suggestion is that if you made changes to your Shopify theme, so you can just revert your theme to the previous version so that it will remove the error. So to do that, let's go back right here in Shopify. And then first, let's go to settings and then go to languages. So just make sure that you are using another language right here. So right now I only have the English language, but for example, if I add another language right here, let's say Filipino, click next, and then turn on the stores that are going to have this language. So now I added Filipino right here. So you can just go right here to translate, and then you can go ahead and manually put the words right here. So for example, let's go to collections, and then we can see some words right here that doesn't have the translation. So for example, the homepage doesn't really have a direct translation to Filipino, so you can just leave it like that. But we'll see some other words right here. Maybe we'll go to products, and then right here is the black printed t-shirt. So this can be translated to itim na printed t-shirt, and then click save right here. So you can just go ahead and go see the different translations right here so that you can translate them manually. And another thing is that you can go right here to online store, go to themes, and then click the three dots right here and edit the default theme content. So from here, just go ahead and see where the translation missing error is in. And then you can go ahead and just put the word right here so that you can fix the error. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can fix the translation missing right here in Shopify. You just need to manually insert the word or the translation. It's either in the online store, in the default theme content, or just go to translate and adapt and then go ahead and find the word right there. Then that is it. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.